Welcome to the best picks. The Best Christmas Village is probably one of the most heartwarming holiday decorations you can find. These miniature towns, crafted from wood, capture the essence of Christmas with their intricate details and festive charm. They are not just decorations, they're a way to build a festive atmosphere, sparking joy and nostalgia. From quaint houses to bustling town squares, these villages bring the magic of Christmas to life, creating a cherished tradition for families. Number 5. AerWo Mini Christmas Trees with Wood Base. These mini Christmas trees are perfect for creating a beautiful winter scene. They come in 4 different sizes, instantly transforming any space into a magical wonderland. Available in green, glittery gold, and ivory, these miniature trees add a touch of enchantment. The frosty finish creates a charming mini tree farm effect for your Christmas village. Let your creativity shine. Use these mini pine trees to build winter scenes, decorate your train railway, or create mini gardens. They are also perfect for winter-themed parties. Crafted from durable materials, these bottle-brush Christmas trees feature lifelike details. They are built to last, maintaining their vibrant colors throughout the holiday season. These mini Christmas decorations are delicately packed. If any deformation occurs during transport, simply soak them in water and they will be restored. We are always here to help if you have any questions. What we like? This set offers a beautiful mini forest with various sizes and colors. If you are looking for a way to add a touch of winter wonderland to your home, this is perfect. It's also great for DIY projects, so you can create your own unique Christmas village scene. What people say? These are very pretty and versatile. They make a nice, festive tabletop display. Well packaged and arrived in great shape. Perfect for our holiday destinations. Number 4. Best Choice Products Pre-Lit Wooden Christmas Village. This Christmas village is meticulously crafted and hand-painted, ensuring a unique charm. It's the perfect centerpiece to bring joy to your holiday season. With 20 LED lights, this village comes alive, illuminating the town hall, clock tower, and every snow-covered tree. The lights capture the magic of the season. You can use the included power cord or 3 AA batteries. Set the automatic timer for 6 hours on and 18 hours off to enjoy it all season long. Please note that batteries are not included. Hand-painted trees, deer, and homes recreate a lively winter village scene. It's perfectly sized for your mantel, windowsill, or entryway. Simple yet sophisticated, this wooden village complements any home aesthetic. Whether your style is traditional, rustic, or bohemian, it fits in and stands out. The overall dimensions are 29 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 10.5 inches high. What we like? This village is meticulously hand-painted, bringing a unique charm to your holiday decor. It's pre-lit with LED lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you like a traditional, ready-to-go decoration with a timer, this is the one for you. What people say? The workmanship is stunning and the piece really reminds one of a quaint European village in winter, at Christmas. It also has a timer to automatically switch off after 6 or 8 hours. Featuring superior craftsmanship and a lightweight design, its battery or plug-in power option is remarkably convenient. With every element illuminated, including houses, clock tower, base, and streetlights, the effect is mesmerizing. This village is 29 long. The crafting is done very well. I have tweaked a little by adding my own mini wreaths to the building peaks and added some Lemax Christmas figures, small poinsettias and shoppers, and small flocked 4 Christmas trees to give it an enhanced 3D look. Number 3. Christmas Village 3D Puzzle with Lights. This Christmas Village 3D puzzle is perfect for the holidays. It's a fun and engaging activity for adults and a beautiful decoration. The puzzle pieces are about 2.5 millimeters thick, making them strong and durable. They are laser cut with polished edges, so you don't have to worry about any sharp edges. Don't worry about it being too difficult, as it comes with detailed instructions. You can easily put it together and enjoy the process. The product features LED lights to illuminate the Christmas house. Simply insert batteries and turn it on to create a warm, festive glow. This 3D puzzle includes 7 Christmas trees, 4 houses, a snowman, elk, and street lights. It's perfect for decorating your table, shelf, or mantel during the holidays. It will be a great addition to your home decor. What we like? This product is a 3D puzzle with laser-cut precision. It includes LED lights to illuminate the Christmas houses. If you enjoy a fun and engaging activity and want to create a unique decoration, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to assemble. Really cute decoration. Everything else went together well and it is colorful. Was fun to build. Number 2. Amosfun Christmas Wooden Houses DIY Craft. These wooden houses come unpainted, offering a blank canvas for your imagination. It's a fun way to create unique decorations that match your personal style or holiday theme. Made from unfinished wood, this house is ready to be decorated and embellished. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to personalize it to your heart's content. This DIY craft is ideal for schools, camps, and churches, providing a hands-on activity for everyone. It's a great way to engage in a creative project together. It's also perfect for family activities. You can decorate it and put it in your garden. It is a great way to spend quality time together while creating something beautiful. The DIY house is easy to assemble and paint, making it suitable for all skill levels. You and your kids can make unique crafts together. What we like. These wooden houses are unfinished, offering a blank canvas for your creativity. You and your kids can paint and decorate them to match your style. If you are looking for a fun family activity to create unique crafts, this is perfect for you. What people say. These were a gift to my 13-year-old grandson who requested them and he is loving painting them for next year's Christmas display. These are so fun to paint. Number 1. Kurt Adler 10.82-inch LED Wood Village House. This charming village house from Kurt Adler is perfect for adding a festive touch to your home. It features a detailed design and warm LED lights, creating a cozy atmosphere. The village is crafted from high-quality plywood and measures 10.82 inches, making it a great size for display on a mantle or tabletop. It's a beautiful piece that will enhance your holiday decor. The house is illuminated with warm white LED lights, which provide a soft and inviting glow. The lights are energy efficient and long-lasting, ensuring that it will shine brightly for many seasons. The scene includes Santa and his reindeer sleigh, adding a touch of holiday magic. This delightful detail brings the spirit of Christmas to life. A charming sledding scene adds to the festive atmosphere. This delightful detail makes it a perfect addition to any holiday display. It requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Once you add the batteries, it's ready to light up your home. What we like. This village features a plywood design with warm white LED lights. It's battery operated, offering flexibility in placement. If you like a simple, charming decoration that's easy to set up, this is a great choice. What people say. The houses are well made and the details are amazing. The lights are bright and add a nice touch to the village. The village is easy to set up and looks great on a shelf. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.